It's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. Are you ready to create cute and adorable mermaid earrings using one of the newest Softlex design kits, Turtle Love? And I am using the bead mix from this kit, as well as purple amethyst Softlex wire. And this wire was part of the Softlex trios for the kit. And I will leave links down below in the description for any of the items that are still available. And then I'm using a couple of the little gold spacer beads from my collection, an ear finding 6 millimeter jump ring, and this adorable little mermaid from a local bead shop, Artistic Beads and Studio. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So we're going to use our soft flex wire, and I usually cut about 7 or 8 inches per earring, just kind of a bigger style earring. And I'm letting my soft flex wire show. I just felt it really added to the design. And they are big earrings, and they kind of make a statement, perfect for summer, but they are extremely light. So I have my pattern here for my beads, and I'm just going to slide them onto the soft flex wire. This kit was wonderful, and the bead mix was really special. I think this is the fastest that I can remember of a Softlex kit selling out. So we'll just add on the beads. Just going to add on a 2x2, and then we're going to pass back through with our other wire, and it's going to make a little X. One side of our Softlex wire, this is our little tail, or like a little handle to hold on to. We're going to take the other side of the wire and pass it back through our 2x2. Pass it back through our 2x2. So it'll look like that. And then we're just going to make our adjustments. And then we'll remeasure and make sure that they're the same size. Now that we have our loop and our sizing is correct to match our other earring, we're just going to take our plier and smash, and then we're going to come back in and rotate. And this just gives it a more professional finish. We're just going to take our little nippers. We want to make sure when we're cutting this that we don't cut any of our wire that we want to keep. That's part of the earring. So we'll have our little hoop earring. We're going to take our 6 millimeter jump ring. We're going to take our 6 millimeter jump ring, and we're going to attach it over our little 2x2 that we just added on. Slide on our mermaid charm and twist. You'll hear like a little click, and you'll know your jump ring is secure. And then the last step, we're just going to attach our ear wire, give it a close. And we have super quick and easy mermaid earrings using this newest Softlex design kit, Turtle Love. And I just added in these little mermaids. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button